Lil Reese got caught up into a simp situation. He's been arrested on domestic violence charges. He allegedly assaulted his girlfriend, gripped her body, her braced her lip, or something like that, right? At least that's what they said. Now, this is what I'm saying, right? Because I used to get aggressive with women too, right? I used to get emotionally driven by what women would do. If I didn't like it, I would get real angry and out of control, right? So this is what I'm saying. You're speaking to an ex-beta male, an ex-simp, right? So this is what I'm saying. When a woman knows she could get underneath your skin, she's gonna push them buttons. And when you get emotional and out of control, yes, you're scaring her, but she knows she's got you. She's taking your power away. Because you think you're stronger than her and you're a man, you think you're gonna intimidate her. Yes, you might intimidate her, but you're gonna push her away from you. Because you can't control your emotions. So of course she's gonna be scared, afraid to be around you. But some men think it's the opposite. You think you're gonna control her. No, you're not gonna control her. When you get abusive, when you curse her out, when you abuse her mentally. She's only gonna go around with other guys, right? And get intimate with them. Or she's gonna share her deep, dark secrets with them, right? So, Lil Reese's situation, I'm not crying down the man, but he got caught up in a simp situation. See what I'm saying? He's a simp, right? And I'm not knocking the man, I'm just telling you the truth. He's supposed to control himself. He's supposed to be a celebrity. He's not supposed to be letting a woman get underneath his skin like that. Yes, it's human. Yes, it's normal like the rest of us, but you would think somebody like that in that position, knowing like what's at stake, knowing his social status, he should have a roster of women. Obviously, he is emotionally driven if he put his hands on that woman like that. Some way, shape, or form, she got underneath his skin, or he didn't like something she said or done. But for him to grip her by her, and she's got a bruise on her lip, which was visible to the police when the police came, it just shows me that he's a simp. That's what simps do. He allowed that woman to push his button. And when she knows she could push your button, she's going to push your buttons. And guess what? You're going to lose your power.